Okay, hello everyone. This is Mrs. Gallagher's recording of week 3, Monday's lesson on Thursday, the 7th of May. Now, you should have been completing week 2, activity 4 last week, and that was generating questions for research and generating 5 questions that will guide your research on the causes of World War One. Just ignore OneNote comments, copy and paste your notes into the scaffold. You can use a variety of resources that are on MyUnity to look at causes of World War One, and write approximately 150 words to show your understanding of this topic. Include at least one quote and one image. Usually do about 3 or 4 images. One is a minimum. Then, once you've completed that, and it would be good to do a few ticks, just hover your little mouse over here to say, yes, I've actually been and done this. That would be so much easier, and it makes it look so much nicer. Okay, activity 2, 3, week 2, 3, activity 5. This is continuing on. In fact, I actually thought you had done this last week, but I'm covering it again. You've chosen your battle. Gallipoli, as I said, is the easiest one. The Somme is interesting. Pozieres, Fromelles, Valais Bretonneux, Sinai, Palestine. You using your who, what, where, when, why, how questions, and you might use some different sources. Primary source from the Australian War Memorial, and that might be your image that you use. An article from Britannica Digital Encyclopedia or ABC Education. Both are really good, found on the library page, or a quick internet search for ABC Education. If you're using ABC Education, go ABC Education World War One and say Gallipoli if you're doing Gallipoli. Okay, you might look for a video clip that you could use in your little video and just take the sound out of it. Information for Education Perfect, particularly if you're doing Gallipoli. Excellent information there. You take notes using the dot points in the notes column. Make comments where appropriate in the thinking column. Include one quote map graph and use appropriate in-text referencing. Add the URL to your bibliography. Include one image. Add the URL to your bibliography. And if you grab a quote, of course, grab the URL for your in-text referencing. Use each URL to create a citation if you like to. You can use SiteMaker, which is also found on the library website. Add your reference list to your paragraph. There should be at least 5 entries, and upload your Word document to a nice little folder called World War One on MyUnity at the moment. And make sure you tick that little button. It's a Word document here that you could use to base that work on. Now, I'm also going to go through Education Perfect for the moment. If you are doing Gallipoli, very much use the case study, the Gallipoli campaign, to take excellent notes on to help you in your research. If you're not doing the Gallipoli campaign, I think we could leave that, because you've got probably enough jobs to do. If you're doing Gallipoli, I want to see it done. If not, leave it. Okay. I'll leave it there for the moment.